You asked, how to divide 19,500 by 12 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 19. 19 divided by 12 equals 1. 1 times 12 equals 12. 19 minus 12 equals 7. Bring down 5, making 75. 75 divided by 12 equals 6. 6 times 12 equals 72. 75 minus 72 equals 3. Bring down 0, making 30. 30 divided by 12 equals 2. 2 times 12 equals 24. 30 minus 24 equals 6. Bring down 0, making 60. 60 divided by 12 equals 5. 5 times 12 equals 60. 60 minus 60 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1,625.